So in this video, you'll learn how to reset all settings on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So if you want to take all your system settings back to their default format, then this is what you need to do. Simply open the Settings app, then you want to scroll and select General Management, and then from here, look for the option Reset and tap on it. Under Reset, scroll down until you find Reset All Settings, and then tap on it. And then you'll be given a list of things that will stay the same even after the settings reset. So things like your security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and any settings for downloaded apps will stay the same, but anything else such as your screen timeout will go back to their default status. So again, just tap on Reset Settings, confirm your identity using your PIN, password, or pattern, tap on Reset, and wait for your device to return back to their default settings. Once done, you'll now notice that everything has gone back to their default. So just wait for your phone to restart with the changes having been made onto your A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about a settings reset, then leave them down below and we'll get back to you.